In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix Studio. If you are working on a site in Wix Studio, it's really important to know how to save your progress properly so you don't lose any recent changes. Even if you are only making small edits, getting into the habit of saving regularly can make your workflow much smoother and give you peace of mind while you work. To begin, open your project in the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you are inside the correct website or workspace before you continue. Once the editor is fully loaded, you will be able to access the main controls for your site and manage updates as you go. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Wix Studio icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your site and editor settings. Take a moment to make sure the menu is open and visible, since the Save option is located inside this area. From that drop-down menu, hover over Site. When you move your cursor over it, another menu should appear with more site-related actions. This is where you'll find the option to save your work manually. Now click Save. This will tell Wix Studio to store your latest changes. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also simply press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. That shortcut is a quick and convenient way to save without opening the menu each time, especially if you are making frequent edits during your session. After that, watch the top menu area of the editor. You should be able to see the saving process there. This is useful because it confirms that Wix Studio is actively saving your work. If you notice that the save is still in progress, it's usually best to wait a moment before closing the editor or moving away from the page, just to make sure everything is fully stored. As a helpful tip, try saving often while designing or editing your website, particularly after important updates like layout changes, text edits, or image replacements. Even though some platforms may support automatic saving in certain situations, manually saving gives you extra control and helps ensure your latest version is preserved. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.